Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Binance Web3 Wallet feature. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is create and access the Web3 wallet. From the Binance app, navigate to the Web3 tab at the top and tap on Create Wallet. Once you've done that, set up a security password and save your seed phrase securely. And once you've done that, you can deposit crypto from your Binance Spot wallet or from other sources to the Web3 wallet address. Finally, navigate to the dApps browser to find or DeFi games or other decentralized applications and select your wallet. So within the dApp, choose Connect Wallet and select Binance Web3. Then you want to simply go ahead and within the D app, choose the Connect Wallet and select Binance Web3 Wallet, and then simply go ahead and execute your transaction. The Web3 Wallet will prompt for confirmation, review all details before signing, and that is about it. You can check your Web3 assets, including multi-chain tokens and NFTs in your wallet overview. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.